Ketan Parekh, who was banned by SEBI 2 decades ago after his conviction in the 2000 stock market scam, has been caught again. In 2003, SEBI had banned Parekh for 14 years on charges of insider trading, price rigging, and diverting bank funds into the stock market. Now, this time around, Parekh and his associates are involved in a front-running scheme that generated illegal gains of around Rs 66 crore. But what is front-running? Front-running refers to the illegal practice of trading stocks or assets using insider knowledge of upcoming transactions, or as SEBI refers to it, NPI or non-public information. Now let's talk a little bit more about SEBI's investigation. On January 2, SEBI issued an interim order detailing how Parekh's involvement was traced through several mobile numbers. He used these numbers to relay trading instructions to front-runner entities. These numbers were uncovered through search and seizure operations and witness statements. Now interestingly, Parekh's intermediaries saved his numbers under different names such as Jack, John, Boss, Pi, and Well-Wisher in their phones. But how did SEBI link these mobile numbers to Parekh? The answer is IMEI numbers. Now, SEBI traced phone numbers through associated IMEI numbers, revealing that several phones linked to Parekh were used to send instructions to the frontrunners. For instance, a phone number ending in 8243, which Parekh claimed belonged to his wife but was actually used by him, was found to be linked to another number ending in 9917. Call data and travel records. The regulator examined call data records to track the location of the mobile numbers between 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. Additionally, SEBI cross-referenced these numbers as travel history with Parekh's trips using third-party sources like hotels and airlines to confirm these locations. Now let's talk about the role of associates and third parties. Investigations revealed a link between Parekh and a large US-based asset management firm with funds registered as foreign portfolio investors with SEBI. Parekh's associate Rohit Salgaonkar would receive orders from US fund and pass them on to dealers at Motilal Oswal and Nuvama for execution in India. Before relaying these orders, Salgaonkar shared the information with Parekh. Parekh then passed the insider information to his contacts in Kolkata, who executed trades ahead of the legitimate ones, profiting from the non-public information. Evidence and bank account links. SEBI's probe also found financial links between Parekh and his network. Bank account records reveal a series of fund flows linking Parekh to several of his agents. Let's talk about the next steps now. SEBI's order names Parekh and 21 others, giving them 21 days to respond to these charges. The regulator also clarified that while Motilal Oswal and Nuvama Wealth Management facilitated these trades for a larger client, no wrongdoing was found against them. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.